almost double. It's not blocked, but I mean, you know, now it could be overextended. At the end of the day, I mean, it could dip.
I did Amazon, I did eBay, I did Shopify, I had brick and mortar businesses. Follow me right now, as my main objective every day is to try to make money from the stock market. I'm on the road to 3 million. This episode, I'm not sure what it is, but this is just an intro. And right now, you can see me break down videos on here on my YouTube. Look at the books, check everything out, and be in touch. Message me through here, Twitter. Get up with me. It's going to be a phone number and email, and we can talk about any subject, stocks, crypto, what we need to in business. Let's go.
Yeah, look at this now. So with Sober Safe, some company, I think they make like hand locks or something for the car, right? For DUI or something like that, maybe. I traded this stock so many times, but I remember you had texted me and they blocked BDRX. They blocked this too back when it was way over here somewhere, right? Somewhere in the low ones. Now it's on, be a dip by whatever it does, but I wouldn't play it here. Bottom line is though, I mean, I might post some of this too, but it's like they're letting us play now stocks that, again, I'm not trying to buy it this high, and they blocked it when it was a good buy. So it's like it's going to get messy because now if people start shorting it, maybe they were blocked too on their platform, right? So it could squeeze crazy, but it's just a mess for real. And this, yeah, I might post this one, GLE. I'm not in this or anything. This looks good to go though, maybe for the day. 114 million shares already traded, right, in this stock. This is it on a 5 minute. RXC made a crazy move from 2 up to 420, 423. It's back down in the threes now. Let's see this actually. Really high market cap if you see up here, 919 million. Has some good volume, but 90 million float. Just had earnings May 7th, or will. I mean, it ran before on earnings, as you see, from 30 cents. This could do something, but this could get tricky. So I'm not trading anything today. I got stuff to do. Honestly, if I was at the desk, I probably would have. But as I said in prior videos, when you got somewhere to go and you know you're going to leave, you don't want to start taking trades because win, lose, or draw, you're going to either want more, or if you lose, now you know you got to go. You're going to force something or just not force it and you're down, right? So you're kind of in a lose-lose. I just let it go. Plus, let's see. And even right now, too, I mean, the market's starting to heat up, but it's still not prime, right? There's definitely plays, right? There's been plays all week. There's been plays, I'd say, the past week or so, but it's not, you know, it's not super hot at all. What's this, MX? It got news, reported revenue. I guess earnings, maybe. Dividend of 25% per the ADS. Revenue falls 21% at high. Yeah, they announced a dividend. What are they up right now? 40%. They're kind of moving though. I wouldn't touch it up here right now. I mean, I look for it on a dip for sure if I was to play it. But that floats a little high and you got to have your parameters, right? So for me, I mean, I've experienced trading high float stocks. A lot of people just have experience trading the real low floats. I mean, they can move similar though, right? But definitely you got to be, to me, more careful. Even though they do hold a lot better sometimes, you still have to be careful because you're not going to get as much out of them, right? As far as like percentage. So with the low float, they always can squeeze more. I mean, different ones squeeze different, right? That's a whole nother. But bottom line, if you're playing a big float stock, you have to play it different, right? But a lot of these stocks moving today are big floats. So for me, sometimes again, you would have to adjust. If I was trading, I'm not against trading a big float stock, but there's parameters, right? In other words, if you can only make 500 out of a big float stock opposed to making 1,000 out of a low float stock, you have to trade it with a lot less money, in my opinion anyway. I'd always do that because I'm not willing to lose more on a stock I can't make more. Simple as that. OS. I think I did trade this stock before. Even this, let's look at the float. 40 million, right? Opposed to something like RSMG that's 7 million, right? So 1/4 that size or whatever it is. Let me see.